fucking Kay Hopkins, she retweeted the video, innit? And then I just got bare racist Brexit man them just coming into my flipping comment section. Isn't it? Them white donnies, the fuck, like 30 plus just trying to get onto me, man. Like, I'm outside my yard in that, and these men are trying to shit in it. Like, I'm shooting a video, a man just made a local snap, and they think that I'm terrorising streets. Dickheads. Can't lie. One of them made me laugh, innit? Some guy called Paul. Man was like, go be yardy somewhere else. What? I was like, go be yardy elsewhere, you did. I'm not gonna lie, that made me laugh though, but...
Man said go be yardy somewhere else.
He can suck his mum as well, fam. Because if I see her, mum's side for spitting in the face, I'm gonna swipe her, fam. What? You trying to use it? Bro, a simple star dog, boy, you can't hack it. You can't hack it.
Nah, man, it's because I've been feeling ill recently, fam. Bro, the other day I was coughing throughout the whole day, fam. I was actually coughing.
Are you skunked? Are you skunked? Are you skunked? Bro, I just said you touched my flipping weed with your mouth, fam. I just touched it, my soul to you. I'm gonna get corona, fam.
Bro, I don't have corona, fam. Bro, like, I don't have symptoms like that, fam. Bro, it's not that deep, man. Just do your thing, bro. What the fuck? It's not that deep, man.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Listen, mate, we're all meant to be in lockdown, and you're here coughing around the place. I am asked you to put your lips on my weed. Now, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! It's not deep, man.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Things look so bad everywhere in this whole world.